Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 073848 1382. Today we have a 2018 J11 Nissan Qashqai ST. This vehicle sustained damage to the right hand side. This shape ran from the 6 month 2014 to current. This vehicle is fitted with an MR20 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a front-wheel drive 6-speed automatic transmission. This vehicle is fitted with factory 17-inch alloy mag wheels. We have the left-hand power door mirror, left-hand front door, left-hand rear door, factory 17-inch alloy mag wheel, left rear has a good tyre, left tail light garnish, right tail light garnish, factory 17-inch alloy mag wheel, the right hand rear door, right hand power door mirror. This vehicle is fitted with factory black and grey cloth interior, has a tidy center console lid, manual transmission gear stick, single stack CD player with reverse camera, factory AC controls, has a tidy left hand sun visor, tidy right hand sun visor, automatic transmission, manual instrument cluster, tidy black leather steering wheel, driver's power window master switch. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus. I'd like to thank you for watching this video.